Jack, Jack Carlson? Yeah, oh, I see the 415 area code that San Francisco. Your Giants sure are beating up on my Phillies. This is Eric Jones. I'm calling from an account-based marketing company. Is marketing important to you? There's a study that says there's going to be more money given to the marketing budget this year than last. Would you like to set up 30 minutes to talk about that more and with maybe some teammates or hello? I just went to a Sandler training, guys, and they brought up a great point is understanding the buyers and what keeps them up at night. Just as I said to Leslie when I first cold called her and got this meeting, I'm going to say the same thing to you now that there's more people in the room and collective thinking. This could be a 5-minute meeting or this could be an hour meeting. I'm going to give you the 3 major value points of why companies just like you renew with us year over year. And if none of them resonate with you at all, then I should probably take a hike. And then finally, this is a recommendation from a former boss. Eric usually showed up to work. When he did, he was humorous and was a fun guy to have on the team. I guess what I respect about him most is his honesty. We'd be having our one-on-ones and I'd ask what he's bringing in for the month or quarter, and he'd nonchalantly say, nothing I can think of. And then I'd ask about the pipeline and he said, nothing I'd bet the ranch on. I suppose I wouldn't mind working with Eric in the future. I could go either way. It's really not something I put a lot of thought into. So, there you go, honesty.